Okay folks, now let's have a look at the bike being ridden. You'll get a good idea of how it sounds and how it rides. And there you have it. As you can see, the bike's being ridden fairly sedately. It's one of those bikes that has a fair bit of torque, good for off-road and on-road. It's certainly no rocket, but then again, you're not buying it for that reason. So it does certainly suit the sort of rider who wants to do that little bit of off-road riding and have that Scrambler look. Well, I hope you got something out of the video, and if you did, just to help share it, please click the like button, and if you want to support the channel and help us introduce new content, please consider subscribing. It's free, of course. Having said that, signing off, everybody take care, ride safe, and we'll see you on the next video.